drink. So now, what did I do?
You turned the radio on.
Oh, I'm so in the wrong place.
Yes.
Excuse me.
Oh my
I'm
God,
so sorry.
you're completely not in the right side of the road.
All right, thank you. I'm so sorry. I'm tripping.
You are.
Thank you. Oh, she didn't give me the hint. She didn't wait. Yo, stank heifer. Oh, stinking heifer.
She wanted to give me the finger.
Yeah, she wanted to give me the finger. She gave me the mean look.
Mm-hmm.
That's a nice Mercedes. What is that?
Wow. You about to crash the damn car.
I was not finna crash the car.
Yes, you was.
My truck can handle that little bump.
Oh, is that right?
That's right. Faith.
Okay.
Faith got it.
All right.
Oh, very vanilla bean. Nice little vanilla bean.
That's good.
What's that?
No, sir.
Okay.
Can
It's
I
not
do
super,
the caffeine?
super sweet. Oh, that's right. Oh, it probably does have caffeine. Oh, it's white
Very
chocolate.
sensitive to caffeine.
Very refreshing. It's very cool. On a nice hot day. It's beautiful. I wish they did them with fruit flavors, like a pineapple one.
Yeah, they don't really
Or
do
strawberry.
fruit flavors.
This would be great. They have a strawberry frappuccino.
Yeah.
No, but it's like strawberry, like quick. But I mean, I want strawberry like margarita strawberry.
Oh.
Or the drink, like the smoothie that we get at what's the hibachi place?
Oh, Kobe's.
Kobe's, yes, that strawberry drink.
Yeah.
Are we going to the right?
Yeah, to the right.
Oh dang, I just pulled up one of my medicine. I'll do it on the next stop. So we're headed to now?
Marshes.
Left, right?
Right. Go right.
You was gonna say, oh, you can go either way.
No.
Oh.
We're gonna go down to the place that you like over by Old Kissimmee.
Old Kissimmee?
Yeah.
That's the place I like, Old Kissimmee. Is that where I feed the birds?
No, not there. You see all the old hotels and the lights and old
Oh,
town.
yeah, I love go driving through there. But it don't make me no difference now. I'm driving. I can't enjoy it.
That's true.
You know, I love it. It'll take me somewhere I can't enjoy.
Ooh, we should get some Krispy Kreme. Because I didn't get to have my cake pops.
Oh, Lord. Really? So you justify cake pops? Cake pops. Cake pops. So Krispy Kreme, though, I do not believe they're the same, man.
Get some Krispy Kreme.
I'll take you to get some. I'm good. You know, I don't care for donuts like that.
I know.
I want some. You know what I want?
Some cake from Sister Honey's.
Oh, that's. Oh, go ahead, girl. I see you riding.
Oh, snap.
Or is that a man?
I think that's a girl. She ain't got no helmet on or nothing.
Oh, no, that might be a man, though. Is that a man or a woman? Did he just flip him off? No, that's a man.
I need you to watch the road. You're making me very nervous.
That's a man. Oh, yeah, that's got a
That is a
full
man. He
beard.
got a
That is a man.
beard.
Why you say that was a woman?
Wow. Okay. I'm not even gonna comment.
Oh, I should have let them by. Damn. My good karma for the day. I'm sorry, guy. So no, I forgot about the cake. No, I wanted that Neapolitan cake. But no, I'm not in the mood for anything sweet. You don't have to be in the mood for sweets. I'm in the mood for seafood. I want my seafood or dough. But it's not as fun because you don't really want it. You're not into it, so.
You really want it though?
I know, but it's not as fun when you don't want it.
You're gonna keep talking about it until I do it, so please just get some.
Wow. You're so rude.
You're rude.
You're rude.
I'm not very finished with you. I'm not.
You can go get some Abuelos.
You saw that the Moe's closed?
Oh no!
I mean, that was a shitty Moe's.
Look at the
anyway,
Moe's. It really was. It was a terrible Moe's.
Yeah.
They hardly spoke to you. They were like, hey, what up?
The food was so horrible.
What do you want?
Yep.
It was always terrible there. Man, I'm telling you, man, these Corona times is really hurting the restaurants.
They are.
was thinking about starting a like a liquor. I wonder what it would entail. I wonder if you have to have a liquor license to start a bottle club. Left lane. I would like to start a bottle club where you get like specialized liquors cheap.
I don't like these new cups, Starbucks. Where's my straw at?
Oh, you can't put a straw in there?
No, it's it's like a sippy cup. I don't like that.
Oh, because they're getting rid of straws.
Yeah.
Oh, I wonder if my pass is... Man, it's been so long, we don't go nowhere now. I don't even know if I be having money on my pass.
Wow.
I guess I'll find out when they send me the little ticket in the mail.
I'll find out when I go to renew my tag.
I really apologize that I'm looking kind of raggedy right now. I know you guys see the little flippity flap strap.
Oh no!
Listen, man.
Oh my God! It totally is all in the camera.
My things. I need new windshield wipers, and I just haven't taken time to go and get some.
So we're gonna start a GoFundMe.
Yes, GoFundMe. Contribute to get some new windshield wipers.
Really, nigga?
I need everybody to contribute 10 cents. Cash App Biggs, 10 cents. I need 100 people to Cash App Biggs 10 cents so he can go get his windshield wipers fixed.
So sad.
Oh man, that's terrible.
So big.
I apologize, guys. Listen, it's real. You know I keep it real. Everybody got something on their car raggedy. At least it ain't the car itself. The car is good. It's just
the car is beautiful.
Some of the equipment might be a little faulty.
Right there.
Alright. I'll put in Mr. Oldsmobile here.
Yes, I am yawning because our puppy son kept me up all night.
Oh, don't be yelling at me, because it ain't my fault.
Oh no, it's not your fault.
Samson was punking you last night.
He treated me so bad, man. Right, Daddy.
Oh man. And you can get up and give him everything, and then it's like he still ain't happy.
Yep. Never happy. Always give him bacon and chicken nuggets and all kinds of stuff. All I was trying to do is get a little sleep. We can let you sleep for a little bit and then.
So this thing about it. And notice he doesn't even start until you go to sleep.
Yeah.
You turn around.
As soon as I turn around.
Then he's like, "Oh no, hell no, you going to sleep? No, I won't need something."
Yep.
Oh, okay. Wow.
You're hitting them corners too goddamn fast. You need to slow this motherfucker down. You understand? I almost spilled my yak.
Easy. Oh, hey, careful! I told you, careful while you taking them corners, young buck. Almost made me spill my yak.
You can always tell when Samson get really mad because he does that.
He growl that pre-growl.
Yeah. I'm like, wow. They comment down below if
they know where that comes from.
That reference. Yeah.
Comment if you know the reference.
Yes.
About make me spill my yak.
You spill my yak.
So easy around them corners. Young bud, I'm about to make me spill my yak.
Old players drink that dark liquor.
That brown liquor, boy. That make you fight in the club liquor.
My daddy loved Crown Royal, boy.
Really?
That was always his drink.
Until the apple, I never liked Crown Royal.
Okay, so you're gonna make a left.
Okay, so left, and then a right, and then a left, and a right. But when they got that Crown Apple, man, that Crown Apple is the
What we used to make?
pizza.
It was Crown Apple
and
Fireball.
Fireball and cranberry juice.
Yeah.
Or just Crown crown apple and cranberry juice.
Yeah.
And then if you really want to make it hot, then you throw in a shot of Fireball.
Then it was like apple cinnamony.
Mm-hmm. Boy, that's the best. That's the best mixed drink right there.
I still
boy.
want the peach one.
Hmm?
They got a peach one. I want to try the peach one.
I know they got a vanilla. They got a peach.
They got a peach.
Or maple? Is it maple or is it vanilla? One of those weird flavors. Crown peach.
Left for here, baby.
You told me late. I gotta wait for this car.
Why are you talking and stuff? So?
Pay attention. You gotta pay attention. Oh, what you screaming for? I'm great. I'm the most wonderful man in the world.
You are wonderful. But you're also crazy as hell.
That makes it interesting.
That's true.
Are you ever bored?
No.
Okay. Keep you laughing?
Yes.
Keep you smiling?
Yes.
Keep you frustrated sometimes?
Smiling.
See, you got a little bit of, got the best of all the worlds.
Yeah.
Frustrated, happy, laughing, smiling.
Yeah.
I was rolling in the back of your head.
You gonna cut that out?
You think they heard that? I don't think they heard that.
I think they did.
You think they did?
Yes.
Oh, I'll see it. I'll cut it out.
You had to edit that out. Shit, we're married.
I have to play that on uncut. Listen, guys. I really love you guys, man. Because I'm really trying to work. And I know, like I said, I haven't been as faithful with you guys and really putting out videos like I should and like I'm always saying I want to do. But it really is a desire in my heart to put videos out for you guys. So I'm really trying to, you know.
I read somebody said they was about to disown you because.
Really? You gonna put that out there? They ain't gonna disown me. They just talking. But listen, man. So I've been a part of this group, right? And I really saw some really cool people and cool videos out there. And there was one specifically, so that if you know my Facebook, or check me out, 1Q Fat Boy on Facebook, and you'll see a post that I put out with this young lady. She's a beautiful young lady. And she had a video about, it was about a friend of hers that was, you know, dating someone that was way younger than them. And I think the question was, is age really a factor or something like that? But it was so funny, and I thought that would be a great subject for talking point for Uncut. Talk about, like, you know, I mean, there's a bit of an age gap between me and FWP.
Yeah.
About a good 5 years, a little more than 5 years. And so I definitely think, you know, age becomes like, and experience definitely becomes a factor in some things. But, you know, does it really? I mean, and that's just 5 years. Like, we just got 5 years difference.
Yeah.
But imagine like somebody that's got like a 20-year difference. So it's a guy that's like in his 40s, almost 50s.
I really think it's just
and
a number.
man, somebody finna knock your door off.
Yep.
Huh?
I said, I really think it's just a number. It depends on the person. Like, you could be older, but still have like a young spirit.
A young mind. I mean,
Yeah.
like me, I'm 40, but I probably think like a 30-some-year-old because I'm young at heart. I really am. Now I just got to get the body to catch, just get the body to go along with it. But I'm very young at heart. Left. That away. But, and then she made some really good points though. Like, women, I definitely believe women mature faster than men.
True.
But you guys peak sexually, and I'm gonna say that you peak. Well,
in an older age.
You peak, like, you mature romantically, I believe, at a very later age. Whereas then I think men kind of peak at a very younger age. Even though we mature and we don't start, well, I don't know about that, because I don't think men ever really mature when it comes to like the romance, because I know, like, shit, my daddy, so I can say it, even my daddy, old as he was still a Rolling Stone. And even now he's still with a woman like damn near my age, and he's damn 80s. and with a woman like just a little older than me.
Wow.
So even my daddy's stupid like that, and still, you know, talk shit, still still young acting and stuff like that. So is it really a thing where, you know, if there's a really huge age difference, can you keep up with a woman that's, you know, 20 years your junior? Or
and it depends what the ages are.
You know, yeah, it depends on the ages, and you know, I guess it depends on a lot. I think it's more than just the number. I think it depends on how you. Well, we ain't gonna discuss it now, but I definitely think it's definitely a good. You know, I'm gonna go down and have to cut back here because it's gonna be hard to get through there. There's a lot of cars coming. It's definitely worth discussing on the show. So I put it out there, guys. So go and definitely support it. Like it, do whatever it comes on or whatever if you think it's a good topic. But I think it'd be a great topic for Uncut, so we could really get into that thing and really discuss it. On I thought it was very interesting, and I'd like to get you guys' thoughts on it. All right, so here we go. So then I need to get back over here.
Just go around.
Just go all around.
Right there.
I don't know why you talking like I'm so stupid.
Because it's like
there's no excuse. There's no because.
Look,
just because
you can't keep conversation going and drive at the same time. I should have drove.
Well, you should have drove.
Yeah, apparently so.
Because you are the craziest backseat driver. Like, you think, like, don't nobody
look,
got
I'm trying to
sense
give you
enough to drive.
navigation and you're not paying attention.
Get on my nerve.
Okay. See. That's that bullshit right there.
Watch your language. You'll be alright.
What?
You seen that booty.
Okay. You need to go right over here to the crab hut over here.
I ain't nobody gonna go there. I refuse to eat seafood out of a strip mall. I refuse. I am not eating seafood.
Take your ass right over there to the crab hut.
You take your ass over the crab hut and get botulism. No. I do not want botulism. Not like that. Take them to the crab hut.
Go right over there to the crab hut.
That's messed up. Damn, that's how much you care about me? Wow.
It's probably good.
No, you go eat it then and let me know. Let us know. Let us find out. Crab hut. That's messed up. Give me a stomach ache.
Wow.
Now hurry up.
Don't tell me hurry up. I'm trying to find my mask.
Look like my mask.
It ain't your mask.
You stole it.
Nope.
Start stealing your clothes and wearing them.
Go ahead.
Well, you know, that's the shit that ain't fair. It's so like y'all can get away with taking our stuff, wearing it, using it. We can't do that with y'all stuff.
Go ahead. You can if you want to.
No.
Let's see what happens.
You see what happens. You the one gonna look crazy.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, your man out here wearing panties.